Unlocking potential. How to make things happen. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an empowering phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, movies, or motivational speeches: make things happen. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also inspires you to take action in your life. Let's explore what it means to make things happen and how you can apply this mindset in various aspects of your life. To make things happen means to proactively cause events or situations to occur rather than waiting for them to happen on their own. It's about taking initiative, being decisive, and actively working towards your goals. This phrase embodies a mindset of empowerment, responsibility, and action. People who make things happen are often seen as leaders, go-getters, and individuals who have a strong influence on their own lives and the world around them. Let's break down how the concept of making things happen can be applied in everyday life through some examples. In a career context, making things happen might mean pursuing a promotion, seeking out new opportunities, or learning new skills to advance professionally. In personal growth, it could involve setting goals for self-improvement, such as getting fit, learning a new language, or practicing a musical instrument. In relationships, making things happen may involve reaching out to make new friends, mending fences with someone, or taking steps to enrich your current relationships. These examples illustrate that making things happen is about being proactive and engaged in creating the life you desire. So, how can you start to make things happen in your own life? Here are a few tips. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Clear goals give you direction and purpose. 2. Create a plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps. What can you do today, this week, or this month to move closer to your goal? 3. Take action. Start small if you need to, but the key is to start. Action leads to momentum. 4. Stay persistent. Obstacles are inevitable. Keep pushing forward, and don't let setbacks discourage you. 5. Seek feedback and adapt. Be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments. Flexibility can be just as important as persistence. Making things happen is a powerful approach to life. It's about shifting from a passive state to an active one, where you take charge of your destiny. We hope this video inspires you to take action in your own life, set meaningful goals, and work towards them with determination. Remember, the first step to making things happen is believing that you can. Thank you for watching, and let's make things happen together.